This is an introduction video to anti-differentiation or integration. Differentiation and anti-differentiation are reverse processes. In this question, we know what the derivative is and we're being asked to work backwards to find what the antiderivative was. What function would have given us this derivative? So we're going to integrate it and we're going to then insert this point that we're given to try to work out what the constant c was. So let's first integrate the function. So the original function f of x would be equal to the integral of the derivative. So that's the integral of f dash of x dx. So we're going to integrate 3x squared minus 1 over x squared dx. Now, the rule for integrating is we're going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. It would be easier if we write each of these terms in terms of its power. So minus 1 over x squared becomes negative x to the minus 2. So we're writing it as a power. And now we're going to follow the rule. So when we integrate 3x squared, we're going to increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, becomes 3x cubed divided by 3. And when we integrate negative x to the negative 2, increase the power by 1, becomes negative x to the negative 1, and divide by the new power. And add on plus c. Now we could tidy this up a little bit. 3 goes into 3 once, giving us x cubed. We have two negatives, which is a positive here, 1 over x, or x to the negative 1 if you wish, plus the constant of integration. Now we know that this function contains the point 2, 0. So if we input 2 for x, the output is going to be 0. So we'll do that, and by subbing this in, we'll evaluate what c is, and it'll give us our original function. So f of 2 is 2 cubed plus 1 over 2 plus c, and that equals 0. So that's 8.5 plus c is 0. 8.5 or 17 halves. So c is negative 17 halves. So this gives us the answer to our function. We've evaluated what c is as well. So our answer is x cubed plus 1 over x minus 17 over 2.